Your portfolio might not be looking great at the moment, but don't stress. Things are about to turn around big time. I'm going to break down the exact strategy to pump a token's value and lock in insane profits. We'll tackle this carefully, but straight up, pump fun is a dead end for your meme coin. Move on. If you head over to Photon and peek at Pump Fun's DEX, it's a total spam fest. Tokens like Water and Morty just launched, but they're dead on arrival. The whole thing's a mess because Pump Fun makes it way too easy to create useless coins. Jump over to Raydium's DEX and you'll see things are totally bonkers. We're talking about only 9 new coins in 5 minutes, but the buying pressure is insane. Have you seen that liquidity and volume? They're off the charts. The real deal here? You need some serious skills to even drop a meme coin on Raydium. Because of that, you mostly see the real deal making it, and skilled teams attract serious cash. That's Raydium's superpower. Want to know how to get involved? Listen up. Launchtool just changed everything on Raydium. You can just say goodbye to those coding frustrations. Now you can literally generate a meme coin in under 5 minutes. I've been totally killing it with this strategy, pulling in profits consistently every single day for a solid 30 days running. Let's kick things off with the logo. First step, launch Canva, create a file that's 128 by 128 pixels, and bam, you're set. My audience knows how much I love cartoons, so Dipper will star in this one. With a few fast edits, it's ready. No sweat. Download your design and let's continue. Logo finished? Awesome. Open Launchtool and hook up your wallet. Time to choose a token name and symbol. I will use Scared Dipper as the name and Dipper for the symbol. Descriptions aren't required, so I'll skip it this time, but feel free to write whatever suits you. Once done, upload your logo, click Next, and don't mess with the default supply or decimal settings. Just continue. Pro tip, skip adding creator info and save yourself 0.1 Solana. Just uncheck it and continue. Social media links, they're useless for your Raydium launch. Just ignore them. Important note, cutting the 0.3 Solana protection will wreck your reputation fast. Stick with all the default settings and smash that Launch My Token Now button. You're nearly done. Wait a second and approve the transaction, and presto, your token is officially live on Solana. Go ahead and check it out on SolScan right away to verify everything. All good on SolScan, let's go. Now we'll create the liquidity pool. This is something you can't afford to ignore. Skipping it turns your token into nothing more than a chaotic digital piece that repels everyone. Let's get this started. Return to Launchtool and choose Create Liquidity Pool. It'll automatically redirect you to Raydium. First thing, register your meme coin. Grab the token address from Launchtool, paste it, and add your chosen name and symbol, in my case, Dipper and Scared Dipper. Click Add User Token and it's live. From your 1 billion token supply, lock 900 million right into liquidity. Choose Solana as the quote token and allocate the maximum, but always save 0.2 Solana for transaction fees. You don't want to run out at the wrong time. You've got full control here. Creator privileges make earning effortless. Set that 2% fee to lock in automatic gains over time. Do a final check, then hit the Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Now you have to approve the transaction on your wallet, and congrats, your token is live and ready to soar. Photon's front page is now showcasing your token. It's blowing up. With volume rising and eyes on it, staying alert and tracking trends is a must. I'll walk you through the advanced techniques to keep control. First, head over to dexscreener.com and grab a random token chart to start. Then, jump back to Launchtool, copy your token's address, and paste it into DexScreener's search bar, replacing whatever's already there. Boom, your chart goes live. Next step is waiting for buyers to roll in. Don't forget to keep an eye on liquidity. Also, refresh Raydium's portfolio in standard mode until your balance appears. It might take 5 or 10 minutes, but it'll show up soon. We have a good buy for almost $110, and we have our liquidity at $760 and our market cap at $647 in only 3 minutes. Our second big buy comes in at $180, which increases our liquidity to $732 and our market cap to $651 in 6 minutes. It's crazy. And another great buy for $150, and our liquidity is at $939, and the market cap is at $1,000, all in just 10 minutes. It's a good time to pull back and take our profits. Start by opening Raydium's portfolio and switching to standard view. This is where you'll see your actual balances. Next, click the minus icon, then slide the bar all the way to 100% to reveal your full liquidity pool allocation. Take note of the Solana amount. It shows the exact cash out value. Hit Remove Liquidity, confirm the wallet pop-up, and done. Your funds are securely transferred. Profit machine in full swing. Check your wallet and enjoy the reward. Just doubled my stash in record-breaking time. Crazy part? No skill required. Keep rinsing and repeating until you're stacking wealth for generations. This tactic is your golden ticket, but the window's closing fast. Hit it hard while you can. This is purely for educational purposes, with no ties to specific platforms. For quick gains, this market sweet spot is unmatched. Move quickly before it's patched up.